I will honestly say that we make the best slats out there, and I'm sure that every producer is supposed to say that, but again, we have a long history of making slats. When I came on board in 2018, I started realizing very quickly that I was not replacing slats that are 5 or 10 years old. I was replacing slats that were 25 years old. Typically, the farmer wants to know not just can we make the slat, but when can we make it by. And the production planning team, although they don't always give me a date that I necessarily like or that maybe the farmer likes, what I do know is that they're always giving me a realistic timeline. It's either going to be a date that they're going to meet or beat. The customer knows he's going to get a slat that works for him, simply because once that order is placed, we get our drafting team to produce a drawing of that slat, and then I send it to the customer for sign-off. So we don't make anything that the customer hasn't looked at the drawing, realized that that's what they want. They sign off on it, send it back to us, and then we start the production process. So they know they're going to get what they need.
I'm Dennis Braun. I'm the Drafting and Technical Services Manager at Barkman Concrete. We have a drafting and technical services department that monitors the integrity of the design, and they can create custom designs if necessary, ensuring that they have the capacity that's required to meet the building code and the needs of the farmer. So our molds and quality standards are designed so that we have really tight tolerances on the width, length, and depth of our slats to ensure that they fit well within the barn, installation is easy, and that the load is evenly distributed across the width of the slat to prevent rocking. Our competitor's product is known to rock when you walk on it, which means it's point loading and also risking some of the longevity of the slat. Our research and development team designs mixes and monitors them, and computer inputs in our machinery ensure that the mixes are consistent and the vibration is adequate to ensure a strong, consistent concrete quality.
My name is Rick Martens. I've been a supervisor at Barkman's for 2.5 years, in charge of the ag production and the steel shop. I owned a hog farm for 15 years and a construction company for 6 years. I owned and ran a 1,500 sow Farada isoine operation, so I understand the importance of flooring. So we do quality checks every hour. Starts when we start up a new product, and then we do a quality check. We go through process of a bunch of different questions, measurements, thickness of the slots. We go the extra mile to try and grind everything down, make sure that the slots are the right size. I know from owning the farms that that prevents injuries, and you just have a healthier animal as you go forward. We bought Barkman slats when we did our renovation and built our barn. Yeah, they lasted for over 25 years and they were still going.